Dear students, good day to you all. I welcome the grade 6 students to this video lesson. I hope that you all are doing well. Today we are going to study Unit 1. Hello. The first lesson is a role play, a very simple and short role play. The words are almost easy and simple. When you are meeting your friends after the school vacation, how do you feel? Do you feel sad? No. Definitely you will feel happy. Like that, two friends are meeting each other after the school vacation. They are talking happily. The two friends are Sudeva and Yoga. Now, I am going to read the role play. Listen carefully. It is the first day of new class. Meet each other. Sudeva, hello Yoga, good morning. Hello Sudeva, good morning. Is this A? Yes, this is A. Great. That means I am in your class. Welcome to our class. Thank you. Are Vishmi and Akhil here? Vishmi is here, but Akhil is not. He is in grade 6B. Raj is also in our class. Oh, we will miss him. Where are the others? They are arranging the class. Shall we go in? Yes, let's help them. I hope that you all understood this role play. There, activity 1, read the role play and answer. First question is, what is the new class? Can you tell me? The new class is grade 6A. Second question, who are the friends in grade 6A? There are 4 friends in grade 6A. Can you name them? First one, Yoha, Sudeva, Vishmi and Raj. There are 4 friends in grade 6A. Question number 3, which friend is not in grade 6A? Akhil is not in grade 6A. Question number 4, what are Vishmi and Raj doing? What are they doing? They are arranging the class. Usually, when you go to school and on the first day, you have to arrange your class. Number 5, write down a list of things you would do on your first day in a new class. Usually, what will you do? You have to sweep your class. You have to arrange the tables and chairs. Then you have to put cleaning chart. Those things you have to do. Okay? Next, move on to next. Competency 1 identifies the sounds of English language. Rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyme means words that sound the same, similar in their endings. Poems and popular song lyrics often use rhyme. A simple poem can also be called a rhyme. Many examples of rhyme are in folk songs, children's songs, and of course in nursery rhymes. This is one of the examples for rhyming words. Pictures also there. This is fox and box. The ending sounds are similar. Next, this is a simple poem. The title itself, there are 2 rhyming words, fat and cat. I had a cat who was so fat, he could not even sit on his mat. He had a hat that did not fit. He put it on and then it split. How many rhyming words are here in this poem? There are 4 rhyming words, cat, fat, mat and hat. I hope you all understood. Next, write the missing letter for each words below. There are 5 pictures and you have to, these words are all rhyming words. You have to fill the first letter of the word. What is the first letter? Cat. C-A-T, cat. This one, H-A-T, hat. This one, what is this? This is mat, M. What is this? Rat. This is bat. These words are rhyming words. Look at this chart. These words are rhyming words, words that rhyme. First one, hat, rhymes with bat. Second, fun, rhymes with sun. Bee, rhymes with sea. Honey, money. Look at these words that do not rhyme. Jump, star, do they rhyme? No. Silly, sick. Boy, girl. Table, truck. These words do not rhyme. Match the rhyming words. You have to match the rhyming words. Okay. First word, back. Back rhymes with sack. You can match. Second one, cake. Cake rhymes with bake. Third one, bank. Bank rhymes with tank. Next, jar. Jar rhymes with far. Next, cat. Cat rhymes with rat. The last word, gate. Gate rhymes with late. Do you understand? Encircle the word that rhymes with the word on the left. This is some examples. Rub, dub, mud, cud, hug, bug, fun, bun, pup, cup, hut, cut, sum, hum, run, gun, tug, mug, gum, yum. You have to select the rhyming words from the list of words. This is also one of the activities. Circle the rhyming words. Sun. What is the rhyming? Is it rhymes with top? No. Then it rhymes with fun. So you can draw a circle. Top. It rhymes with but pot. Mat. Rat. Pin. Is it rhymes with cat? No. It rhymes with tin. Wet. Set. Dog. Fog. How. It rhymes with cow. The last word, dad, it rhymes with had. Okay. This activity is from your book, activity 9. Underline the word with a different sound. The first letter, A, hot, sat, mat, wet. What is the different word? Hot. So you can underline. Next, van, man, fan, bill. What is the different word? Here it is bill. Next, fan, cot, tan, van. What is the different word here? Cot. So you can underline it. Next, cat, rot, mat, fat. What's the different word here? Rot. Next, bit, set, yet, wet. What is the different word? Bit. The last one, rat, rim, fat, hat. What is the different word here? Rim. Now we are going to study be verbs. What are be verbs? Am, is, are. These are called be verbs. Am goes with I. We can use am with I. Is can be used with he, she, it. The next are we can use with they, we, you. This is another I am, this is positive, this is negative, the last one is question form. So I am, negative form, I am not, question form, am I, question. Second one, you are not, or we can say you aren't, the question form, are you. He is not, is he. Next, she is not, or we can say she isn't, is she. It is, it isn't, is it. Question form. Then we are, we aren't, are we. You are, you aren't, are you. They are, they aren't, are they. I hope you all understood. Next, this is another activity. You have to fill the blanks with be verbs. That means am, is, are. You have to write the suitable be verb. First, I dash happy. What can you write here? First one, what's the word? I am happy. Second one, you dash scared. What's the answer here? You are. Number 3, he dash small. What can you write here? What is the answer here? He is small. Number 4, she dash surprised. What's the answer here? She is surprised. Number 5, it dash brown. It is brown. Number 6, we dash young. What's the answer here? We are young. Number 7, you dash tall. You are tall. Number 8, they dash old. They are old. Number 9, Jack dash a Brazilian. What's the answer here? Jack is. Last one, the dog dash black. The dog is black. I hope you all understood the lesson. Next, this is another example for forming questions, be verb questions. This is a sentence, this is be verb question. This one, I am 10 years old. How can you change this into a question form? You have to move the be verb front. Do you understand? Like here. Am I 10 years old? You have to move the be verb front. Am I 10 years old? When you write the first letter of the be verb, you have to write it in capital. Okay? Second one, you are nice. How can you change? You have to move the be verb front. Are you nice? Next, he is hungry. You have to move the be verb front. So, is he hungry? Next, this is a bag. Is this a bag? That is a pen. Is that a pen? I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.